Hey YouTube, Incendar coding here today with a quick fix if you've experienced the PHP fatal error, allowed memory size of blah blah blah, exhausted, trying to allocate blah blah blah. What this means is you have a script that's using too much memory, of course, and I have this problem with specific scripts I have to run maybe once a month that require huge amounts of RAM. There's a couple different ways to fix this. You can fix this in the php.ini file, but I have a much quicker fix for you today. Let's keep this video as quick as possible. All you want to do is copy and paste this code. I'll put it below in the description. I usually bump this up. Something like this will usually work. If you need a lot more, you could do something like this. I would use this on temporary scripts. This isn't really a permanent solution. You can look into changing your PHP INI. Remember, if you do bump these up, it's gonna maybe mask some problems in your coding or provide opening for some kind of attack or something maybe too. So it's always something to consider. But like I said, using this temporarily works great. I hope this video helped you out today. This is my first video for Incendar coding. I recorded it at 4K, so please let me know in comments if the text, the font, the setup, if everything was, perfect and easy to read and follow along, and if I should keep this format for much longer videos and much more involved videos that I would like to do in the future. Obviously, views, comments, liking this video, and subscribing just lets me know if I should make more content like this or maybe do something else. So please do all that if you have a chance. And remember, every day is a good day when you code.